Okay, boys and girls, now I'm going to show you how to make your mini book. So you'll receive a piece of paper like this, and you want the title page to be on the bottom right, okay, on the bottom right here. The first thing we do, we see this line here along the middle, we fold, okay, like so that all the corners are matching. Then afterwards, this line here, down the middle, we fold along this line, like so. So here you can see we have our front cover. You can put your title here, you can draw a picture, and then you put your name and your class. Then, as we turn inside the book, you can start to fill the pages. So you can draw some pictures here, write down what's happening, and then finally, on the last page, you can draw another picture, and then write down what's happening here. So, I look forward to receiving these in the future, guys. Thank you very much.